don't feel so well. Achoo!
Ew,
Sorry.
Pepper, you sneezed right on me. Now I'm gonna get sick.
Wow, that was close. Thanks for covering your sneeze, Nicholas.
Sure, Jack. If you don't have a tissue, you can always sneeze into your elbow. Hey, remember, if you need to sneeze, sneeze into your elbow, please. Stay tuned for more of the adventures of Nicholas Gnome. Bye-bye.